Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CRBP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on this one going into next week. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So really two main levels stand out to me. First, from the support side of things, would be this uptrending trend line here. So yes, today was rough overall, but to give some credit, to give some credit where credit's due, let's adjust this line back down. There we go. The bulls did show up in the sense of, well, at least the price has this nice little upwards trend line to it. Now, that doesn't mean that this thing's headed back up above $7, but my point is, this is at least better than a chart, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while, I'm sure you've seen a chart where the price gaps down, and then after the gap down, it just does something like this the rest of the day. But that wasn't the case here, right? The price was at least able to start to work its way back upwards. So a step in the right direction doesn't mean that everything's still fixed. Clearly, a whole lot of work needs to be done. But the point here being is at least the price stabilized out and it was able to slowly start to push the price back upwards. So keep an eye on that from the support side of things. And then as far as levels of resistance are concerned, so, essentially where did the party stop today on the attempted bounce? So red for resistance. And the main level to watch from that point of view is right here at $6.45. You can see that was the general area where the price really struggled several times this morning. Of course, the price did roll back over in the afternoon, but did bounce back upwards and didn't hit it exactly, but got within the range of 645. So that's going to be a very important level. If the price can break up through 645, next key area after that would be that purple line up there, which on my chart is denoting the very well-known 50-period moving average, currently valued at $6.80. So overall, a rough day, but the bulls showed some glimmers of hope here. So we'll see if the price can try to get some sort of continuation and momentum back to the upside next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.